Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing the BNT wireless IP camera, HD 1080p and two-way audio. We're going to go over the specs a little bit later, but for now let's get right to the unboxing. And if you are interested in watching this on my YouTube channel, you guys can find the link to this product in my video description. So if you guys know me, I like security, I like security cameras, and I like to use motion cameras and everything around my property, vehicles and stuff. So this is something that I wanted to use. We got it for indoors, and I believe I don't think it's for outdoor use. I may be wrong, but we got it for indoors. So this is, whoa, this is actually pretty cool. Kind of reminds me of something from like Star Wars. Wow, look at this design there. It's pretty cool. Wow. So it looks like you can connect it to your LAN. It's got DC 5 volts, reset button, spot for your SD card. Looks like it shows Wi-Fi signal here. It looks like, and if I am correct, let's go ahead and go over some of the specs of it. So guys, home security, baby care, pet care, gives you an app that you can download. That app is MIPC. So it's MIPC from App Store, iOS, or Play Store, Android. PC users, please download their app. So if you use it for your computer, you can go to their website and download their app. And let's go ahead and open up this little box here. See what else you get. So looks like you get a really long the DC USB. That's nice. They actually supply the USB port with the plug. I know a lot of camera companies do not do that, so I'm very happy with that. So it looks like you get, I believe this is a mount, so you can mount it on the wall or somewhere, and it probably mounts up just like this. So you would turn it in and mount it. We're going to see where we want to put it, but for now let's go ahead and test it out. Alright, so we go under and we find the MIPC app, and it looks like what you want to do is you want to open that app up and make sure that is what cloud camera. So looks like it doesn't have really the greatest ratings, but a lot of that has to be user error. So if you guys need any help, please let me know and I'll be happy to help you. So we're installing it and we'll go from there. Okay, so if you're doing this on your phone, once you create an account, then you go up and you press the plus button in the upper corner of the app, and it'll let you select the type, which this is going to be a PTZ camera. So we're going to select that. Okay, now we want to scan the barcode. I do want to point out that if you can't scan the barcode, you can manually enter it in. So we're going to click Add. So now we could either do it from Wi-Fi or use the Ethernet cable. We are going to set up Wi-Fi. So we are going to not show you that part, but stay tuned. Okay, so let's see here. We got the camera already added. So, oh, that works pretty good, actually. Let's see, you can slide and zoom on the screen here. So, let me see how we can do this for you guys to show you how it's working. It's obviously not going to show you guys the best quality. Hey everyone! So, yeah, so it's not gonna, you're not gonna see it on the camera, but it's working good. To fully test this out, we can zoom in and we can zoom out. We can so both ways like this. Let's see. We didn't enter our time zone, so we have to do that. Let's see, HD, we got to set up. Quality looks decent. Yeah, you know, the quality is actually pretty good. I have to admit, that's pretty decent quality. So we got it turned off. Audio's on. Hello. So that's pretty cool. We're going to turn the audio back off by pressing the little audio button up here. You can start recording by pressing that button, photo, that button. You can scroll over. There's cloud, notification. Oh my goodness. So, long press to talk. Hello. Hey. So now it's actually talking out of here, so. Hello. How you doing? So you can actually talk through the camera from your phone. So we don't need that on anymore. Hello. So we can turn that off. So let's see. But just tapping the video and then untapping it saves it. Here we got full mode, so now you can see full screen here. I'll let you guys kind of see a little bit here while we move the camera around. So let's see, the camera can rotate and everything, so let's see how we do that. Let's go back. I'm not exactly sure how we do that. Let's see. Okay. What about under settings here? Well, that's something we're just gonna have to figure out. You know, this, you can do motion sensor. There's just so many settings on here that you guys can do. But the camera's working good. The quality's pretty good. So overall, I'm very happy with that. I am. Oh, that's how you do it. Okay, guys. So we turn the mic off. Okay, the mic's a little confusing, but if you put your finger on the screen and go to the left, it'll rotate. So I believe it rotates 360 degrees, I think. No. Okay, it will only go so far and then it'll stop, and then you can rotate it back the other way. Almost 360 degrees, so as you're seeing, we're rotating. So it rotates almost 360 degrees. So that's cool. Now to go up and down, come back over here. Let's get it right to where we're at. Okay, so to go up and down, now you use one finger and go up. See? Just like that. And you can go pretty far up. I mean, you can go straight up and almost straight down. So this is actually really cool. I really do like this a lot. This is a really good camera, especially for the price. So from what I'm seeing right now, guys, I'm seeing I'm definitely seeing a 8, possibly 9 out of 10 rating for this camera. This is actually really cool, and this is going to work great indoors or anywhere that doesn't get any moisture or water. So let's take a picture. We don't have an SD card in here, so we need to get one, But yeah, overall, extremely happy, and it gets a 8 to a 9 out of 10. Link is in my video description if you guys want to check it out.